Hey everyone, welcome to Ellis Mowers. I appreciate y'all watching as always. On the 35 plus push mower load here, this is number 2. Somebody asked for a self-propel push mower, so I got this one off of the trailer to fix. Great shape. It's an Eager 1 Tecumseh Craftsman 22-inch 2-in-1 or 3-in-1 mulch discharge bag front drive self-propel. Older mower, 1994 model. It's in very, very good shape though. Even the blade's sharp on it already. Self-propel's a little stuck, although it seems like the gears are good. Probably gonna need a carburetor because it's a Tecumseh. So we'll go ahead and get started and get the self-propel mower going. Let's do it. All right, let's take a quick look around this thing. 5.5 horsepower Tecumseh Eager 1. For those Tecumseh lovers out there, I know Mr. Tecumseh loves these things. I got the air filter for it somewhere. Just had it, I'll find it. But I do have the air filter for it. Needs replacing. I think I've got one here. Front drive self-propel. As you can see, when I pull it back, the wheel's kind of like locking up, so I just probably need to lube that up and be fine. But I mean, it will roll forward. It's just a little bit hard because it probably hasn't moved in a long time. The back wheels are a little bit loose, but works fine otherwise. Pour rib's actually decent still. But here's your model number and date code: 917-373-980-012494. Means it was built January 24th of 1994 and has aged very, very well. Just a little dirty, nothing crazy though. It's going to turn out to be really nice. If I can get this one fixed, it is sold already to that person wanting a self-propel push mower. So there's the air filter, by the way. The air filter does need replacing. It is pretty trashed. So let me get it out here. Throw some carb spray in it. See that wheel in the back is a little bit wobbly. I'll see if I can find one that's a little bit better to put on the back here. I think I've got a few of these here at home. Throw some carb spray in it, see if it'll crank for us. If so, I'll put some gas in it just for the heck of it. Now I'm just going to try and put a little gas in it, see if it'll start and run on its own. Oil's pretty dark. Okay. Tried. As long as I can save the gaskets and whatnot, I think I can save this carburetor. I'm just going to do a bowl check on it. I'll get back in the garage and we'll do a bowl check on it. One thing I like about these older Tecumsehs, like the Eager 1s, is that they have, I believe it's not an air primer. I believe it's a, maybe a It's not a gas primer, but it's a much more reliable version of the air primer than on the newer Tecumsehs. So I'm going to give it one more go just for the heck of it. You can see the self-propel is working just fine too. Let me take the bowl off. I think it's just a slightly clogged jet. What I like about the Tecumsehs is that the bowl is super easy to get to. I'll pull it in the garage, see what we can muster here. Alright y'all, so this is my thing to do here is to turn it on its side now. So you're looking at it kind of weird. We're going to take the bowl nut off. It's just a, is it a 1/2 inch or is it a 7/16? It's a 7/16. I thought Tecumsehs were 1/2. Briggs are 1/2. I thought Tecumsehs were too. I stand corrected. Let's see what we got going on in this tank. Well, how's the jet look? The jet's pretty bad. Carb. From what I can tell, is not terrible. So I'll leave that in just like that. But we will clean the jet out. You can kind of see. Let me get this gasket off if I can without ripping it. You can kind of see where all the junk and stuff is down there. So let me see if I can get this gasket off. Come on, guy. You can do it. I don't want you to tear. There we go. Okay, we'll put that in a safe spot. And I'm just going to take some carb spray and just clean this jet out, and that probably will fix everything that we have issue-wise with this. As long as we can get the needle and seat to function correctly, we'll be fine. We'll save this carburetor. Alright y'all, I got the jet cleaned. Again, the biggest thing on these Tecumsehs is there's a little bitty hole right there that you need to make sure you get cleaned. And so we got that. Now, I'll put this back on. Inside of the carb looked a little gummed up, but nothing crazy, because I have to, the way this bowl design is, and the engine design, I'd have to take the whole assembly off, and if I don't have to do that, I don't want to. So let me just tighten this back up. You don't need to get it too tight, because then you start breaking the gasket. So let's go right there. Let me drop it down, bring y'all out here, and see if it'll start for us. Alright, running a little fast, nothing we can't fix. Let's see. was easy enough. There was just a little bit of crud in the way, causing the governor to get frozen up. That's all it was that jet. Let me see if I can find an air filter, and we'll put an air filter on it, clean it up, and we're done with this thing. Alright y'all, you see that I have put new back wheels on it. They're a different color. Found out those back wheels, the reason why they were wobbling was because they were cracked. The front ones seem like they're good. They're not wobbling or anything. The self-propel works great on both of them. Got it washed here. Now I'm going to put the new air filter in it, because it's a good idea to wait until after you wash it on these Tecumsehs to put a new air filter in it, so you don't get this waterlogged and make it hard to start. There we go. I'll give it a start, and so it's good. Got that water purged out, and it's ready to rock and roll. So that was a really easy and a really quick one, y'all. Just had to clean out the carb jet and change the oil in it, put an air filter on it, and that is all it needed. So and some back wheels. So hope y'all enjoyed this video. Very quick fix, quick flip. I'm gonna tell the guy $100 for this, because I know him. If I were to list it, it would probably be 120 to 140, but that extra money isn't worth the time and trouble when I already have a sale in the bag. So thank you all again for watching. I appreciate it. Hope you're all enjoying the content on the channel. If so, please feel free to subscribe and like and follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you on the next video.